Indian aviation sector, particularly in terms of MRO.
Sure, perfect. Nice to meet you, Durva. My name is Janali. We are representing Gandhi Automations here. As you may know, Gandhi Automations is India's #1 entrance automation and loading bay equipment company. Today, we are showcasing our premium hangar door division here at the MRO South Asia show. Gandhi is the only company globally which manufactures the two different kinds of aircraft hangar doors, the vertically lifting fabric hangar door as well as the sliding hangar door. We have a huge manufacturing facility in Mumbai and we are working with MROs, FBOs, airlines, military, defense, navy and many more. Being a proud Make in India company and a family business of more than 30 years, we are our clients' one-stop solution partner, delivering excellent products to the aviation industry and ensuring that the aviation industry booms in general, and also that this aviation industry increases in India and outside of India. We are also working in 72 countries. We've worked with major airlines, like I said, major MROs, and we are happy to be here in the show and meet with all our clients and potential clients.
What is your main agenda today over here, and what are the key things that you're looking out?
Oh, sure. The show has been great. It's been very busy since morning. Our agenda here is to, a lot of people already know about Gandhi. So it's, to meet with the existing customers that we have in India and outside. So it's very nice to see that this show is bringing all the international players in as well, all the international companies. And of course, we want to showcase our capabilities and projects to newer clients. So the idea is to meet with as many new visitors and MRO companies and airlines that we can.
As the Indian MRO sector is rapidly growing now, one message that you would like to give to the MRO sector particularly?
Oh, that's a great thing. Of course, when I'm personally very happy being a part of a proud Indian company to see that Indian ecosystem in terms of MRO and in general the entire Southeast Asia ecosystem is growing rapidly. One message that I would like to send is, while companies plan for MROs and hangars in general and a long-term strategy, please don't overlook the most ideal component that ensures the efficacy and efficiency of your hangar, which is the hangar door. And always ensure this is going to be an investment. So look at the hangar door for an investment for 25 years and 30 years from now, and then choose your supplier accordingly, who's going to be around for not only that much but longer, who is going to be your solution partner and who is going to be having their infrastructure and after sales service set up here. Because while we plan for MROs and facilities, sometimes the hangar door is neglected, but that is a very important component to ensure the efficacy of all the investment that you're going to be in the first place. And of course, we are always here to serve you for that.
All right, that's
Thank you
it.
so much,
you so
Durva.
much.
Thank you. Nice to speak with you.
Yeah, same here.